Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on your Visual Studio IDE. So right now, let's say you can see all options in English, but if you are in some other country which supports some other language, for example, German, French, or Spanish, how you can change the language of Visual Studio, let's see. So for this, you need to click on this tool option and then click on options property here. Here you need to search for international settings. So you can see this is the option. You can also search for this option. So here you can just see the language in which you have installed Visual Studio, right? Now you will also see this message which says, please use Visual Studio installer to add an additional language. So we are going to do exactly that. Close this window and then close Visual Studio from here. I don't want to save anything. And then search for Visual Studio installer. So when you have installed Visual Studio, this Visual Studio installer also comes with it. So just search for Visual Studio installer and click on it. And once this Visual Studio installer opens, you will see which version is installed, and then you can click on modify option here. And once you see the modify option, you will see four tabs here. We want to go to the language pack here. You can see only English is selected here. I also want the German language support, so I'm going to check this checkbox for the German language support, and then I'm going to click on modify, which is going to ask for your administrative access. So just click on yes, and then it's going to download the support for the language which you have selected. So just wait for some time until this process is finished. And after some time, language support will be installed and you will be redirected to this window once again. So once the extra language support is installed, you can once again go to the modify option and check whether you see the support for two languages, right? Earlier it was just selected for the one language. So once that's done, you're going to just close this installer window and then open the Visual Studio again. So I'm going to open the Visual Studio now. And once Visual Studio opens, I'm going to open my project or any project. And once the project opens, you can go to the tools option and once again go to the options property and then click on international settings. And now you will see your language which you have installed. So Deutsch is the language which I have installed, which is a German language. I'm going to select it and then click on OK and then click on OK. So when next time the Visual Studio restarts, it's going to open the Visual Studio in that language. So let's close Visual Studio and then open Visual Studio once again. And then let me just open this project. And you can see now all options are in German language, right? So this is how you can change language on your Visual Studio. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.